Code 33 on a carrier control board signals that a safety limit switch has tripped and stopped normal furnace operation. Code 33 indicates an open safety circuit caused by one of the limit or pressure sensors in the series chain opening. Start by isolating which safety opened by visually inspecting the high limit on the heat exchanger, the flame rollout switch near the burners, and any low gas pressure or vent pressure switches. Use a multimeter set to continuity and test each device with power removed. Check airflow first because clogged filters, blocked return vents, or a dirty blower wheel can cause the heat exchanger to overheat and trip the high limit. So replace filters, clean the blower, and verify unrestricted supply and return paths. If a rollout switch tripped, inspect the burner assembly and heat exchanger for signs of flame lifting or cracking, and clean the burners and remove obstructions from the vent path. Replace the rollout device if it does not show continuity when cool. For low gas pressure related opens, confirm manifold and inlet pressures using a manometer and compare to the manufacturer specifications printed on the furnace data plate, and correct regulator or supply issues before replacing any switches. Always restore power only after confirming the cause and repairing it, and consider temporarily jumping a switch only to confirm the board will allow operation while you shop for a part, but never leave a safety device jumped. Document your tests and the part numbers of any replacements. 3 common mistakes are assuming the control board is bad and replacing it without testing the safety chain, leaving a tripped safety device manually bypassed, and ignoring airflow causes. Replacing the board wastes time and money if a simple open limit or pressure switch is the real cause. So test continuity and voltages at the inputs before swapping boards. Bypassing a safety device to get heat immediately removes critical protection and risks fire or carbon monoxide hazards, so only use a temporary jumper for a few minutes during diagnostics and remove it before normal operation. Overlooking airflow problems like dirty filters or blocked ducts lets the issue recur after parts are changed, so perform the basic cleaning and airflow checks first and verify temperature rise across the heat exchanger is within specification. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work in their area. Our site also hosts a discussion community where members and pros share diagnostic tips, part numbers, and troubleshooting experiences that relate directly to furnace error codes like Code 33.